Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wii controller. First, make sure your Wii console is powered on and ready to go. Next, locate the battery cover on the back of your Wii remote and slide it open. Carefully insert two fresh AA batteries, paying close attention to the positive and negative terminals to ensure correct placement. This initial step is crucial for a successful connection. Now, let's get your remote synced. Open the battery cover again and find the small red sync button inside the compartment. Simultaneously, locate the sync button on your Wii console, usually behind a small flap near the disk slot. Press the console's sync button first, then quickly press the remote sync button within about 15 seconds. This action initiates the pairing process. Once synced, you'll see one of the four blue player indicator lights on the bottom of your Wii remote illuminate steadily. This confirms a successful connection. If the lights continue to flash, don't worry, simply repeat the syncing steps from the beginning. Also, ensure there are no other strong wireless signals nearby that might interfere with the connection. You're almost ready to play. Here are a few extra tips for your Wii remote. Remember, you can connect up to 4 remotes to one console for multiplayer fun. If you experience persistent connection problems, even after resyncing, try replacing the batteries with a fresh set. Sometimes, low battery power can cause issues. Now you're all set to enjoy countless hours of gaming with your perfectly connected Wii remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.